Devastating testimony in a Kent County courtroom today in the smothering deaths of 2 children, murdered, prosecutors say, by their own mother.
A judge ruled there's enough evidence to send the case against Irene Whitehead to trial for the deaths of her two-year-old Riley and 2-month-old Leo.
Target 8 investigator Susan Samples is live with the latest from the courtroom. Susan.
Testimony in court today suggested what may have motivated Irene Whitehead, who is accused of killing 2 of her children 4 years apart. Prosecutors said Whitehead had done online research on subjects like black market adoptions, why do I regret having a baby, and my child whines and cries at everything. But it was Whitehead who appeared to be crying today in court.
Your Honor, at this time, I move.
Tears in court from a mother who prosecutors say described the final moments of her 2-month-old son Leo's life. Prosecutors said Irene Whitehead smothered Leo with a blanket in their home on 15 Mile Road in Algoma Township in September 2021.
But she described how Leo acted during that. What were her words?
He squirmed like a bug.
Leo's death was at first ruled natural from the flu, but when 2-year-old Riley died from asphyxia in September of last year, prosecutors said Whitehead confessed to killing both children, a confession defense attorneys will try to get thrown out.
They were making her make statements to fit a theory in their mind. That's not legally admissible evidence. Can't have people that are represented by attorneys be forced to submit to a 6-hour and 50-minute interview.
Prosecutors played video clips in court. They said Whitehead recorded of Riley, her 2-year-old, struggling to breathe before her death from asphyxia. The 27-year-old mother allegedly put a bag over Riley's mouth.
And watched as a child was grasping for a breath of air and hanging on to life, and the mother is videotaping her child.
An investigator also testified today that Whitehead took her child to the hospital multiple times for supposed respiratory problems so she could lay a groundwork or try to lay a groundwork for a defense and kill her child. Judge Jeffrey O'Hara ruled there is enough evidence to send this case to trial. She is facing felony murder and first-degree child abuse charges in the deaths of the 2 children and an abuse charge in the assault of a 3rd child, a 6-month-old daughter. That happened in 2020. That child survived. At 63rd District Court, I'm Target 8 investigator Susan Samples. Back to you.